How to connect Fiverr to MetaTrader 5. In this video, I will show you how you can easily connect your Fiverr's funded account to MetaTrader 5 on your phone. So first things first, all you have to do is to go to your phone browser and search the website thefiverrs.com. Now once you're all signed in with this website, all you have to do is scroll down and choose a funding program. You can choose one-step program, two-step program, or three-step program depending on your liking. So once you have selected all of those things, you just have to create an account with your name, email, and password. After signing up and payment to this specific funding program, you'll receive an email with your trading account details, including login ID, master password, server name, and platform. Make sure the platform says MetaTrader 5. Now, once you're all signed in with this, all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search for MetaTrader 5. You must install this, and after installation, you just have to click on Open right here. Now, once you're all signed in with the MetaTrader 5, all you have to do is to tap on the menu icon on the top left and click on Manage Accounts. Now, once you're all here, all you have to do is to tap on this plus icon right here and choose the account and click on Log in to an existing account. In the search bar, you just have to type the server name from your Fiverr's email. So I cannot search for it because I haven't purchased any funding program, but you will be able to see that in the search bar, you can type the server name. Now, you just have to tap the correct server name when it appears. Then you'll have to enter your login ID, enter your master password, and tap sign in. Now, if you're successful, you'll now see your account balance, market watch prices, charts, trade tab for placing orders. And once all of these are done, you're ready to trade using your Fiverr's account on MetaTrader 5 mobile. So that's all there is today. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.